What's up, beautiful people? And today is our... What's today, mama? Today is our anniversary day. Yes, that's my non-talking wife. She's not mute. She is just not talking. So today is anniversary namin ngayon. And this morning, we are going to do our anniversary run together with Jen and Ron. Pero we are still waiting for them because nasa Batangas kami and it is very chilly today, so ang sarap mahiga, ang sarap matulog. I think we almost did not go through with this run, but it is what it is. TBR is in 2 months, and a second full marathon, so we have to prepare because honestly we are undertrained this year, but it's okay because a lot has happened and we are excited for 2025. Diba, mama? Yes. Let's go. Guys, dun sa mga, well, those people who already followed me in Instagram before, you'll notice that Byron.ph has now turned into AB Labay because I felt like it was a little bit self-centered, right? It's mostly under my name, but then I post actually a lot of people in that page or in that account. But since that we are trying to improve AB Labay through YouTube, why not actually make everything AB Labay? Even my TikTok. So if you're following me in TikTok, it's currently Byron.ph, but pretty soon it's going to be AB Labay. No. So today's run is going to be 1 hour and 40 minutes. That's the TBR assignment for this week. Next week is going to be the longest run by far ng TBR with regards to training. So next week is going to be 3 hours. So ayun, we're not gonna run straight. We're gonna be running like 3 minutes run, 1 minute walk. It's a run walk method, and I've been doing it for the last 3 years because this is going to be my 3rd full marathon because I am registered as Anna Spacer, no? But please don't get me wrong, I'm not a fast runner. I am a seasonal runner, to be honest, but running is our lifestyle. We make sure that at least in a week we have 2 to 3 runs done. So ayun, okay, see ya. Guys, by the way, I am in Lima Park Outlet. So this is the mini BGC of Batangas. It's in Malvar and Lipa. I really don't know if this is Lipa or Malvar, but then it's Lima because it's Lipa Malvar. So it's in the middle, no? If you're going to Lipa, you're coming from Manila and you're gonna be exiting from Malvar, it's on the left side, no? But if you're going to go back, then it's going to be on the right side. So this is BGC. This is the mini BGC of Batangas. So basically there is a football field here. There are a little bit of outlets and a lot of food choices here as well. This is also being developed, I think, to become a CBD, Central Business District, which is really good. So if you're around the area or mapapadaan kayo, drop by Lima Outlets and you'll find it's actually interesting, and there's a lot of potential here. So there's already National Bookstore here, there's Bench, there's Jockey, there's Mary Grace here, Pick Up Coffee meron na rin dito, there's Iponyari, there's H&M, there's Adidas, there's a Nike Park Outlet here as well. So ayun, there are a lot of stuff to do here still. Hindi pa ganun karami yung outlets here, but I'm confident that this is going to be developed like really well. Yep, that's her. She is not bored. She is just currently recharging her social battery. She's gonna mingle later. That's why. She's just gonna walk back and forth, back and forth. So if you're ever with us or you see us, no, if you wanna say hi, she's gonna nod. She's gonna say hi. She's gonna smile, but she's not gonna make a conversation with most people. So Yeah. But unless you're already close, like you've been together like twice, 3 times, then yes, she is gonna mingle. And again, it's our anniversary, so she can do whatever she wants. Guys, nakalimutan ko palang sabihin yung reason kung bakit meron tayo ding anniversary run. Aside from our anniversary, kung bakit we're using this as a content for today is because I want to show you that this place also has a car-free Sunday, katulad sa Makati, sa Rojas, and kung saan bayan pa merong car-free Sunday. So basically it starts from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. also, no? So pareho lang dito, and medyo malayo din yung stretch dito. And what's good about running here on a car-free Sunday is that yung magiging route, which I will show you later, is when you start, you're actually gonna go downhill, and then pagbalik nyo, of course, it's going to be uphill. Hindi naman siya yung dreadful uphill, but of course, medyo makunat siya. So maganda rin talaga siyang going training ground, no? Especially if you're doing hill trainings. I think it's a 15 to 20 minute na easy run siya. Kung straight run, 15 to 20 minutes yung one loop niya. So most probably that is going to be what, 3K, or I think that's 3K. Nawala yung asawa ko. I think that's 3K. So I'll see, we'll double check later, and then I'll keep you guys posted. Guys, andito na sila Ron and Jen. So there they are. Yan. So again, this is going to be 1 hour and 40 minutes. By the way, si Ron is also naka-register siya sa TBR. Si Jen hindi, kasi she's the new runner, but she's already been running. So tingnan natin what's gonna happen today. I hope it's going to be fun, and hindi siya umulan because already umaambo na kanina pa actually. To those na magsasabi na baka magkasakit kami, don't worry, we're gonna be okay. But yep, cross fingers na hindi kami magkasakit. Ito yung pababa. So medyo mahaba na to. So kung may pababa mamaya, may paakyat. So madami-dami to. Yan pa gan, downhills pa yan. So pero yun na yung dulo. And right now nakaka 1K na tayo. U-turn 1.27. So pagbalik natin doon mga 2.5 na nga. So yun yung isang loop, pero from arc to arc lang yun. If isasama mo yung parking or isasama mo yung entrance ng mismong Lima, baka abutin siya ng mga nasa 3 or even 3.5, kasi medyo malaki din yung parking ng outlets. So ito na, uphill, and may mga tumatakbo, madaming tumatakbo din, but hindi siya kasing dami sa Ayala. So Makati Ayala. So mga running clubs, if gusto nyo dumayo, here, this is a good place. Okay, and if you're gonna go Dayo, if you're gonna go here, hit me up, and takbo tayo. Let's go. Okay, that's one loop, and yes, as expected, 2.5. But when we got here sa arc, dun sa kami mag-next U-turn, nakatumba yung arc. So mahangin kasi guys, so probably that's why. I mean, this is open until 10 a.m. So I don't think na it's an early closing. Inaayos naman nila eh. Okay guys, dun sa kabilang side may nagsusumba. So dyan din yung grocery. So may bago din dyang Skechers. Pero ito yung mismong outlet tayo dumaan. So ayan, may H&M. Malaki yung H&M dito. Then may Samsonite, 158 Designers Boulevard, Power Mac, Cotton On. Yung Cotton On, half niya is spent. Kasi I know, same ang owner niyan. There's Speedo, and then dun sa kanto is Nike Park Outlet. Nasa loob yung Adidas. Yay! Ayan. Off to first pit stop for hydration. Guys, you always have to hydrate. Make sure you're hydrated all throughout your run. Otherwise, you're gonna bonk. You're gonna hit the wall. Let's go. Guys, tinanggal na nila yung arc. So, hindi ko alam kung bukas pa. So, panatanong natin. Let's go. Kuya, until what time yung car free? Hanggang 10. Thank you. Hanggang 10. Wala na lang yung arc kasi nalilipad siguro. Okay, back to base. Bali, total of 3 loops for 1 hour and 40 minutes. Actually, ini-extend lang namin. But, ayun, bali magto-total kami ng, I think, 10k? 10k, magto-total kami ng 10k. Right now, naka 8 kilometers na kami. 8.62. So, 1.5 left. So, sakto na yun hanggang doon sa parking. Nakakapagod din yung uphill kasi mahaba, so makunat. But, of course, siyempre, alangan naman puro ganito lang yung makikita nyo sa vlog namin. Wala kayong natutunan. So, sabihin ko lang, running is, yes, it's a sport, of course, in every sport lagi may competition. But running for us is more of a lifestyle. Why we run? Kasi gusto namin tumakbo abroad. Not for the majors. Well, that's a plus kung matakbo kami sa majors. Pero yung mga scenic places like National Mall sa Washington, tinatakbo namin yun, no? San Jose, LA. So yun yung mga goals namin para matakbo namin siya while we're traveling. And also, of course, nakakadagdag siya ng endurance. So if you're walking the whole day, like for 40,000 steps, hindi masyadong maangal, and you can still repeat it the next day. So that's the reason. So plus na lang din sa amin yung sumasali kami ng fun run, nakakuha kami ng medals and shirts. So ayun, diba ma? And wala na nga pala si Jen kasi pinapito namin siya kanina sa car because sabi ko nga, Jen is not a seasoned runner. So medyo bago-bago pala pero tumatakbo-takbo na siya. Hindi masawa. We're back. So tapos na ang run. And we are going to change because we are going to have recovery run, which is very important, although we take it very seriously because we love to eat. But yeah, that is it for today's run. But I will show you kung saan kami kakain later. And you know, mangiinggit lang. Again, please do not judge us where we eat and what we eat, because again, this is a lifestyle. This is what we love doing. As much as possible, we try to control what our food intake. But then it's the holiday season, so what can you do? Okay. Oh, and by the way, for disclaimer, before I wasn't usually, Anna and I wasn't actually into vests, but we've tried it and we're loving it because it's very convenient. You can bring a lot of stuff without even actually feeling na ang dami mong dala, you know. So let's see. Yep, run is done. I'll see you in a bit. It's eating time. Where are we going to eat, Mama?
There.
What's there?
Sima.
That's where we're going to eat. We're going to have mang inasal for breakfast. Can't judge us. It's our anniversary, and this isn't your vlog. Eating time. Mang inasal for breakfast. Yay! And this is where we end the video. Thank you guys for joining us. Bye! Say bye-bye, Mama. Happy anniversary!
Kasi,
Kasi